Hello, my YouTube family, and welcome back to the Decor Diary, your favorite destination for modern home decor inspiration. Today, we are diving into a world above your head. Yes, we are talking about stunning modern pop fall ceiling designs that are transforming homes in 2025 from suitable minimalism to dramatic luxury. Fall ceilings are no longer just for hiding wiring conditioning ducts. They are now statement pieces that define the look, lighting, and feel of your entire space. In this video, you will discover the latest pop ceiling trends for living room, bedrooms, halls, kitchen, and even entrance, all paired beautifully with LED light layouts to bring a warm, modern to glow to your interiors, whether you are building a new home, renovating an old one, or simply searching for that one perfect idea to refresh your ceiling design. We have got you covered. Let's start with the basic pop or plaster of Paris. Ceilings are preferred for their smooth finish, versatility, and cost effectiveness. They can be molded into any shape from simple straight line pattern to intricate layered circle, floral curves, geometric boxes, or even wave inspired ceiling structure. One of the biggest trends this year is covered ceiling where recessed edges are softly lit with hidden LED strip lights, creating a floating effect that makes the room feel larger and brighter. Another hit design is the multi-layer pop ceiling design, especially for large living rooms and drawing rooms where two or more levels of design add depth and dimension. These are often combined with spotlights and ambient ceiling lights to enhance the mood of space. If you prefer something more understanding, single layer, rectangular, or border pop ceiling design with clean edge and soft lighting remain timeless and elegant. Moving to the bedroom, the ceiling design plays a huge role in creating a calming and cozy environment. In 2025, the trend is to use soft pastel colors, LED lights, indirect lighting lines, and floating ceiling panels for couple or master bedroom, heart-shaped pop design, or even backlit floral motifs are being used as a highlight for kids' room. More playful pattern like stars, moon, and clouds or cartoon themed ceiling cutouts can be combined with color changing LED lights, shift with mood and music, and other trends that makes over modern interiors is used of wooden texture panels mixed with pops ceiling, giving a luxurious hotel like feel without overdoing the design. This is especially popular in modern homes and contemporary apartment. Let's talk about lightning. LED integration is the key to talking your false ceiling from average to amazing, from receipts down lights to edge strips, lightning central pendant, lightning or ceiling mounted luxury light. The lighting fixture you choose should elegant with your room style and ceiling design. For a sleek and modern look, go for warm white LED strips along the grooves or edge of your pop design. Want to make it luxurious? Add a crystal fancy ceiling light in the center or designer hanging lights for the living room in small space like apartments. Low depth false ceiling with mirror strips or cove lighting can visually expand the room and give it premium feel. For halls and drawing rooms. False ceiling designs with layered square patterns and central focus lighting are being used to give a bold dramatic effect. If your space has natural light, combine it with smart lighting that auto adjust, adding elegance. while saving energy in kitchen area. Clean lines and simple drop ceiling panels are preferred, usually with embedded takes lightning for a functional yet stylish finish. If you have an open kitchen or setup, suspend panels with directional LED lights help define the cooking zone while keeping the design cohesive. Moving to entrance, foyers, and passageways, don't ignore these traditional space. Simple yet eye-catching strip lighting in the ceiling paired with wooden ancients or texture paint create a lasting first impression. You can even install motion sensor LED lights that turns on as someone walk under them, adding a touch of teach. In terms of color, the most popular patterns for pop ceiling in 2025 includes white, off-white, beige, pastel gray, and soft gold, with many homeowners experimenting with dual tones effect, metallic paints highlight in the goals. If you like border interiors, you can try black or navy blue inserts with warm LED edge, giving your space a dramatic and high-end look. Minimalist homes are sticking with all white designs, recycling on lightning alone to create depth and interest. And don't forget to ceiling fans and AC ducts can also be beautifully integrated with your pop ceiling, keeping function and aesthetics perfectly balanced. If you are wondering about ceiling height, remember pop designs can be amazing for both low and high ceilings. For rooms with limited height, thin border pop with recessed lightning work best, while higher ceiling allow for more playful shapes, deeper layering, and hanging fixture. Another new idea trending this year is the backlit fall ceiling panels where our forested glass sheet is placed under a light source, producing a soft glowing surface that looks elegant and more beautiful. In luxury homes and bungalows, pop combo ceilings are being used with laser cut wooden panels or mirrors to add richness and texture. Even ceiling mounted panels are being incorporated into home and music lounge, proving
So
styles
whether
and
you love
sounds
a
can be.
minimalist vibe
Go
or a
ahead.
bold design, fall ceiling give you endless option to impress or express your personal style with improved lighting and comfort. Remember, your ceiling is the fifth wall of your room and in 2025 deserve just as much attention as your floor. So take a screenshot your favorite design and tell us in the comment section. Most important thing, subscribe to the Decor Diary and share it with your friends and family.